kids, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the weather is absolutely ghastly. I mean it, grim. It is pouring rain, dark, spooky, so I wanted to get all of the warm drinks from Starbucks that are fall flavored and try them for the very first time and react with you guys. So I rolled into Starbucks as soon as they opened this morning and pulled a totally dick move on the baristas that I love so much. I ordered 5 intricate coffee and teas in a size tall. So I have 30 bucks of coffee here. I might not like any of it, but that's what I do for you guys. So how about you hit me up with a subscription? Okay, I've got my tray all carefully packed and my stoppers so that they didn't get cold on the walk home. And I'm going to arrange them. Something in here, I believe it is apple related, smells not unlike my cat's urine. So I'm a little concerned about that one, but hey, they can't all be hits. So I have all my teas and coffees lined up and ready to go. I will taste them for you and give you my honest opinion. Much love to Starbucks for putting up with me for this. So up first, I have the staple that I have to try first, the pumpkin spice latte. Believe it or not, I've never actually had one of these because hot pumpkin just doesn't really appeal to me on a food and beverage level. Yeah, so we'll give it a taste and see if I really am that basic fall girl. Okay, smell. It doesn't smell like pumpkins, it smells like coffee, so, okay. Okay, not horrible. Okay, I understand it. I understand the hoopla, okay? But it's not for me. It's not bad, but it's just, it's not tickling my fancy. It's mild though. The pumpkin is mild, so that's good. So that's one down. The second drink I have to try that is fall themed is the cinnamon Dolce Latte. I don't know what Dolce means other than and Gabbana, but we will see. Let's smell. Not really smelling anything, but it's not wine, so I'm not a sommelier. No, I don't like this one. The cinnamon's not bad, but there's something else that's tangy in the wrong way. The way that Swiss Chalet dipping sauce, you either love it or you hate it, or cilantro, you love it or you hate it. There's something in here you either love or hate. I hate. X-nay on the Dolce Latte Cinnamon A. Okay, third up we have a Tai Chi Latte. No, it's a chai tea latte. I've heard good things about this one, so I'm very interested in the spice combination, potentially in this guy. Oh, that one has a quite pungent smell. You can really smell the spices. That's excellent. That's really good. This one is the best so far. Oh yeah, hits the spot, really, really good. Just spicy enough, not too mild, but not too hot. I really like this to kind of warm up when you're cold from walking around in the rain. Yeah, love it. So that's the one I'm gonna save and finish. Now we're on to the apple flavors, which worries me a little. I don't love apple juice, apple cider, apple flavored things, apple desserts. in a huge way. Like apple crisp with all the brown sugar, love it, but it's the brown sugar and the butter, you know, it's not the apple. But let's see. This one is an apple crisp macchiato, so coffee based. Let's see if it has a smell. Oh dear, I do not like that. This might be the kitty urine smelling one. Please don't taste like it too. Oh my God. I can't even do 3 tastes for you guys for that. No. Oh. I should have water for a palate cleanser. I did think of that before, but yeah. Okay. Ugh. That is really sweet in a bad way. Oh, the apple is, it has a kickback too. Okay. Let's get the final apple one over with so that we can go back to drinking the chai tea latte, which was amazing. So this one is called a caramel apple spice. Interesting. Yeah, it was definitely that one that smelled like Cate. This one smells like nothing. Okay, it's strange. No, it's too much apple juice. There's something else in there that's good, that's sweet and tastes nice, but I can't put my finger on it. It must be the coffee part. Okay, I got it. Cinnabon. It tastes like if you put a cinnamon bun into apple juice and then heated it up. So it gets better. The second sip was better. It's way better than, if you're going for something apple, it's way better than the apple crisp macchiato. So caramel apple spice, not so bad. Okay, if I had to rank them, number 1, chai tea latte. Number 2, we have the pumpkin spice latte. Number 3, caramel apple spice. Number 4, the cinnamon Dolce latte. And way down at number 5, the Cate flavored apple crisp macchiato. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and get that horrible pungent taste out of my mouth, and then return to the 3 drinks that I really enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have a favorite Starbucks drink, even if it has a lot of mods, let me know what it is, especially if it's fall flavored, so that I can try it myself and maybe add something that would make one of these taste even better. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already to join me every week for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.